Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and raise hand in Zoom? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Normally in some meetings, what happens is you're in the call and the host will not allow people to talk and your audio will just be muted, right? And then you have to go ahead and let them know that you want to talk. What you can do is simply go ahead and raise your hand. So you might be wondering, how do I do that then? So it is as simple as just going down here, clicking on this React top right arrow button, right? And then there's going to be a button called raise hand right over here. Simply go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, your raised hand is going to show on your video as well, and even on the participants list your hand is going to be shown right there. And what is going to happen is that the host is going to simply go ahead and unmute you, and then you can talk right over here, and they're going to mute you when you're done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.